Hello and welcome to the Tractor Barn YouTube channel and the classic farming series that we do every Saturday. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, it's much appreciated. Right, let's crack on in 2003. It's the 6th of August and we see some wheat being harvested still. The harvest is still going on with a John Deere CTS combine. Very nice combine too, knocking along fairly. Can't away we have a very lovely John Deere 7810 on a brine leg trailer, and also, which completely different to the John Deere 7810, is a very classic Massey Ferguson 698 two-wheel drive. So you can get two more different ages and sort of types of tractors carting away, so that's really nice to see. That was so anyhow, so as always, hope you enjoy it. Sit back and I'll catch you on the next one.